Into Assets proudly presents for sale by auction this breathtaking potential development site located on the banks of the mighty Tugela River. With stunning views of the river and river mouth, the Indian Ocean and surrounding farmlands, this 40-hectare site offers prospective purchasers the opportunity to establish their dream development on a one-of-a-kind canvas that is immersed in nature and surrounded by natural beauty. The property is well positioned at the river mouth and is bounded by the Indian Ocean on the eastern seaboard of South Africa. The ever-popular node of Ballito is a mere 40-minute drive away and provides all amenities required as development continues to push north along the magnificent and highly desirable KwaZulu-Natal North Coast. Significant and detailed due diligence and planning has already been undertaken on the site, and copies of the plans are available upon request. We look forward to your attendance at the auction on the 20th of October 2022 at the Mount Edgecombe Country Club. Online bidding facilities are also available for our national and international buyers who are not able to attend the auction in person. For more information about this property and to arrange a site viewing, please contact Tom on 083 636 7800.